Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. I remember when I was still a kid, whenever I did not feel well, my mother would bring me to a manghihilot. And the first thing that woman did, kung sa buhaton, tutuan. Asa man ang sakit sa ulo, tutuan. Asa man sakit din sa abaga, tutuan. Kasuway sa buwana. Ngano kaha? Ngano man kung wadto tag mananambal, tutuan man. Wa ta kay nga maghugaw man daytoy. The use of saliva, and that is also what Jesus used in our gospel reading today when Jesus cured the deaf mute. He used his saliva. Why is that so? My dear brothers and sisters, even during the time of Jesus, the healers used saliva. Not because saliva has curative powers, but it will tell those who are around that there is a transfer of healing from the healer to the one who is being healed. Something which is tangible, that there is a transfer of healing. But there is no cure in the saliva. It's just something that we can see, something that we can feel. And Jesus used the saliva not because he has to use saliva, but he used saliva in order to tell the people who were looking at him that like the healers during the time, Jesus is also a healer. So it was just a statement. And Jesus said, Ephphatha, be opened. I would believe all of us here are not deaf-mute. Ang uban lang magpa-bungol-bungol. Pero ang uban bungol-bungol na yun, no? But when Jesus said, be opened, but there are also times that we have to be closed. Unsa may atong ablihan kung sirado. First, three things. Number one, close your mouth from gossip. Close your mouth from gossip, but be opened from appreciation. Nindot man, dili lang bito ta magchismis. Magsugod na kayo nagchismis imong tapad, storya idayag maayo. Ayaw dayag sakay. Number two, close your mouth from lies, but be open from truth. Usahay sulti man tagbakak, usahay punan panato, usahay dungagan, but we have to speak what is truth. And there are times when truth hurts, but we have to tell the truth. And number three, close your mouth from criticism, but be open to what is good. We're so good in criticizing. Kana bitaw maingon ta, pagkagwapa na malang niya. Pero, nagyunay pero. Pero, maldita man na. Nagyunay pero. Stop criticizing, but be open in order to tell what is good in a person, what needs to be appreciated. And so, when Jesus said, Ephphatha, we are also reminded first to close from gossip, but be open from appreciation. We have to close from lies, but be open from truth. Close from criticism, but be open to goodness.